All right, 4703
All right, so
Fruits.
Sid, call me later on.
I'm gonna call you.
Yeah, she'll lock up when you finish. All right.
All right, cool. New gutters, new windows. Take the side of this house down because there's no foundation on here. Keep the dormers up there. New front door. And then coming right on the side of the house, we're gonna put a new addition to the side. This is the backyard here. So that section right there is coming down here. And then what we're gonna do is take this section of the house here, bring it in addition, coming all the way straight across here, all the way up to here. Boom. So we're gonna add this house, make it bigger. It's gonna come out and come out to where the end of the brick is. It's another 8.5 feet. And then this is where the kitchen's gonna be. Then we're gonna have to put a door either on this side or this side from the kitchen to get out. And then this part of the house got on fire. So all this section back here is coming out. When we take it out, put the new foundation rebars, go up one level, and then build another level on top of that. So that's the dormer from the master in the attic. So the whole thing's gonna come out. So there'll be 2 levels. So this section will be brand new. Then we're gonna put another section on top of that, which is gonna be brand new. And then we're gonna have to put a, in the basement, we gotta dig out a easement, a door, so you can get out the basement. Now you got this big old tree on the side of the house. That tree needs to be trimmed as well. New gutters, new roof. Now we're on a little bit of a slant right here. So we gotta be careful how much we could go over because we need at least dig about 4 feet wide, about 4 feet deep to carry the weight for 2 floors. And then she got this tree over here. These limbs, they gotta be trimmed back. Okay, Brickfront Properties and Construction. New project here in Capitol Heights, Maryland. Insurance job. Gonna take out the window well. The water's getting into the basement from there. Take all this out. All right, now walking into the house. All right, brother. Okay, so right now, they've already done the demo work. So that's the main level. So she wants to do an open concept. So we're gonna take this section of the wall out here, take that out here, put a 2x12 micro beam across here, and then coming back here, we're gonna take this section out here, put a 2x12 micro beam on this side, and then these 2 rooms become open. And this room back here, the whole thing's coming down. New windows, new floors, take out the radiators, new plumbing, new electrical, new duct work. So this is the addition that was built that's sagging because they never put a foundation. There's no foundation under here. So this whole area of the house, we looked at it from the outside earlier. It's coming down. And then what she wants to do is make this whole room, the top is gonna be her master suite. So the whole top section from wall to wall is gonna be another floor, and that'll be her entire master suite. So we're talking about a 20 by 20 almost master suite. The master jacuzzi tub and luxury bathroom. Okay, so now when we come in here, this is a bedroom on this side right here. So this bedroom needs duct work, electrical work, insulation, flooring. Take out the radiator, new windows. Got the closet for the bedroom. You walk out in the hallway. Then you got a bathroom right here. Okay. So this had a tub. You got your vanity right here, small vanity. And then you got your toilet right there. Okay, keep the bathroom the way it is. Then you come out of the bathroom, go back here. There's another bedroom back here. Okay, we're gonna keep this the way it is. Now the floor's a little bit slanted throughout the house. If they want me to fix that, you gotta pay for that. Okay. Closet for the bedroom. So the one bedroom in the front, one bedroom here. This is the main level. And then, okay, so then going up here to the top section is where she wants to knock this whole thing down, push it back. We're gonna go up one level, put a second level, and then this whole section becomes a huge master suite. Okay, we're gonna have to change the roof pitch as well. And we're gonna keep the framing. We can make this into little cupboards. We could, if she wants to do that back there, we could put the bathroom back there and then redo all the plumbing and stuff. But if she can't afford that, we keep the bathroom here. We're gonna take this whole wall down from there to there, and then make the shower stand up there. Put the jacuzzi tub over there, 60-inch vanity, and a toilet on that side. Okay, this is the main level on the third floor, the attic floor. And if she does have the money to push that back, then we got another 20 by 20 space back there that we could play with. She wants to do a closet and all kinds of stuff. And she says she has a lot of materials, a lot of shoes and jackets and whatever. Let me get in the basement. Let her get in the basement. Okay, let me go in the basement here. So this part will stay the same. Right here will stay the same. Okay, now going down to the basement. So she's got a son with the wife and 2 kids that's gonna stay here in the basement. And so this will be like a common space over here. The utility room, furnace, water heater, take out the boiler, new plumbing, new electrical. The floors, all little bent, twisted. If she wants to take out the floors, we could do that. But it's sitting on the concrete slab, so it's a lot of work, a lot of cost. So we're gonna keep that little linen closet there. Keep the bathroom right here. You got the toilet. There you got the jacuzzi tub. And then you had a small little, looked like a 24-inch vanity right here. All right, come out the bathroom. In the hallway, then you got this washing machine, dryer over here, and you got your sump pump. So we're keeping this the way it is. And then you got your bedroom back here, insulation, drywall. We're gonna have to dry lock and put 5mm plastic on these walls. Make sure the water moisture is done properly. And then we'll keep that as a closet, and the closet will go underneath the stairs. Okay. Brickfront Properties and Construction. Fire job. We'll work with insurance companies. And, these are easy jobs. They're big jobs, but they're easy. And this room here, this big room, we're gonna make it half and open it up as a common space. And then this is another bedroom back here. So we keep this the way it is. Take out the windows. The windows don't need to be there because it's underneath the other room on the back side. All right, so So I'm here in Capitol Heights, Maryland. She likes my vibes. She likes my energy. So she said she's gonna go with my company, or this company, Brickfront Properties. All right, good. Let me go to another project. I have 2 more projects to look at today. Today's Saturday. Trying to make this money, baby. Christmas is coming up. Christmas is coming up. Got bills to pay. And the IRS is on my ass. All right, we'll talk later. Thank you. Sid Hameed.